Okay, this is a review on the LG VIEWTY SMART, in particular the sat-nav side of things. Now, I know I've just done a review a couple of months ago about the Amaze GPS, which you can have a look at. Okay, Amaze is okay, but two problems. One, the menu system is too small, too fiddly, too hard to use, and secondly, with Amaze you have to download the maps from a server. Okay, server over here, phone downloads the server, it costs you money. Now that's okay if you don't mind spending money, but I do. So after about 3 months I got fed up using Amaze for that reason. Sorry Amaze, but it's how it goes. Okay, the other one I've got is VIEWTY. That's that one there, which you probably can't read because the camera for some reason won't focus in. VIEWTY is completely free, i.e. everything stored on this. Maps go on it, atlases go on it, configuration goes on it, every single thing stored on the phone, right? So if you've got an SD card in there, you basically shove everything on there and install a Java, whatever it is, .jad or .jar, whatever the file is, but basically it's Java, maps stored on here, everything's contained within this. And also, I like the menus. They're better. Nice big touchscreen settings. Oh, GPS. I can tell which GPS I've got. Screen. It's just more user friendly. Oh, sound. Guess who I've got on here?
You have reached your destination. If only life were this easy.
I've got a cheesy Homer Simpson. It is really good. You can 3D, 2D, rotate it, backlight on. You can configure everything where your files are stored. Files, that's where you tell it where all your files are stored on the SD card you shove in. UK maps are about 162 megabytes and the files to actually run the software about 10. So you're looking at about 172 megabytes, which is fine if you've got a good card in it. You know, you're not going to lose any sleep on under 200 megabytes. Right, okay, the only complaint I do have, however, is navigation. You can't search by postcode, forget that. So you've got to kind of go Manchester, Chorley, Johnson Street, and then you can't even go number 16 Johnson Street. That's as far as it will go down. It will literally go to street, but you can't postcode search it, and you can't say I want 16 Johnson Street or something like that. It's rubbish when it comes to wanting an exact location. If anything, it's easier to go into Google and get the longitude and latitude coordinates and enter them in if you want a more exact search on somewhere specific. Saying that, if you're not bothered about that and you just want a sat-nav on a phone, then go and get it. It's free and it's easy to install. Okay, relatively easy to install. I did scratch my head a few times, but you know, it's fairly good. And you can customize the menus, you can customize the wallpaper, you can customize all these skins. Like I can change this orange thing to a blue thing, yada yada yada, and do whatever, you know, do whatever. At the minute, the map is obviously just blank because that blue little dot there is saying I can't find my GPS. However, saying that, if I do go outside, obviously within a couple of seconds, bang, all the maps will load up, you know, and everything will work. Zoom out. Oh look, it's a world. Zoom in. You've still not found me. Like I say, apart from the navigation side of things, it's a good, free, completely free sat-nav. It does work. Because the map's loading off the SD card, it's responsive, it's fairly quick. You can customize it, you can add Homer Simpson's voice, you can add Yoda's voice. I mean, just go to VIEWTY on Google, go Google, type in VIEWTY, find this website that's giving it for free, download it, shove it on your phone and play about with it. You know, you don't need a Windows smartphone, it's just a Java application. But you know, it's a nice application. It's plenty of options: car, bike, Ford, hybrid, advanced. You know, you can just dig and dig and dig on it. But like I say, apart from that navigation problem, I think it's a lot better the Amaze one. Just come out, menu, exit. There you go. So on my phone here I've got Amaze again, okay, but you've got to download the maps, which is slow and costs you money. Google Maps again, pretty rubbish, you've got to download the maps, it costs you money. So We Travel, it's completely free, everything stores on the phone, and it does work. So give